Did you know the US just expanded its territory by a whopping 1 million square kilometers? No, this isn't an early April Fool's joke. Now, before you start imagining an army of construction workers and bulldozers stretching out the coastline, let's clarify a bit. This isn't about adding more land. Rather, it's all about redefining the boundaries of the US continental shelf. Yes, you heard right, the land under the sea is the new frontier. And no, Aquaman wasn't involved in any way, at least as far as we know. This expansion spans across 7 ocean regions, with the Arctic claiming over half of the new territory. But don't worry, this doesn't mean your favorite beach is going to be overrun by polar bears anytime soon. So, are you ready to dive into the details of this fascinating move? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an interesting journey. Before we delve deeper, let's get familiar with a crucial term, the Extended Continental Shelf, or ECS for short. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is an ECS? It's not a new hipster